Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're making Asian Barley Salad. Cook barley according to the package directions. When barley is tender, rinse and drain well and set aside. To prepare the Ginger-Scallion Dressing, add oil in a sauce pot and heat until smoking hot. Add ginger, green onions, garlic, salt, and cook for 30 seconds. Remove from heat and set aside. In a large mixing bowl, add cooked barley, edamame, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, corn, cilantro, sesame seed oil, lemon zest and juice, ginger-scallion dressing, and toss together. Season with salt and pepper if needed. Enjoy as a side dish or for a light lunch. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.